जब घर का खाना हो तो बच्चों को भूख नहीं होती और भूख नहीं तो न्यूट्रिशन नहीं। इसलिए खाने से पहले एक्टिवेट। इसमें है आंवला, पीपली और गुडुची के आयुर्वेदिक गुण जो बढ़ाए इम्यूनिटी और जगाए अच्छी भूख, यानी घर के खाने की भूख। हेल्दी खाएगा तो हेल्दी रहेगा। मेरे जैसी चिंतित मॉम्स के लिए आई रेकमेंड एक्टिवेट। अच्छी भूख जगाए नेचुरली, साथ ही इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाए।
Assam news report that in border between Assam Kamrup district and Meghalaya West Khasi Hills, people of Meghalaya residing in Garojan village were destroying the houses of Assam people. So in order to clarify this report, Neig news were called yesterday to the village and the village leaders explained the true incident occurring there. According to the leaders, the incident took place on 28 December 2023 when Assam government issued JJM, and since the working of this scheme have to pass through Meghalaya, the villager have to work to stop this scheme, says the leader. And when they were working on it, the people of Assam and Meghalaya couldn't agree with each other since there is Assam Meghalaya border issue from before. Villager also report that they were hurt by the 15 housing people of Assam when they tried to stop by removing the pipe. Pipe connected through their village. After this incident, a person who is victim playing have blamed Garojan village after destroying his property on his own, reported Assam news, blaming the Garojan village, saying that the houses of Assam Garos has been vandalized by the Garos from Meghalaya in terms of border issue. A person who is a vandal himself, when Neig news went to investigate the issue for the report, it is found that he remains a fugitive. The incident of vandal destroying his own property has been witnessed by many people from the village, and they have condemned the arrogant act of a person and 15 houses who are trying to invoke the violence against the community in front of media.
Ya no conozco cómo. Antes no estoy caminando, son ni manera no estoy caminando nada ganamos. Mandi dong jam tahu lah?
Kan gen ya nok katrak kapakon. Antang tang sa ri ping meng katrak ya aku cengan neka aku somong kata cide. Antang sa katrak karo. Assam may balapsing. Cengan aku karo. Cengan noksol.
Cengan ba tanan noksolong emang bisong ni nakaya takarang ko nakaya di nakaya katrak karang ko pani. Cengan ba neka lapsing asani katrak kawan. Bisong cengan noksul cengan nok sambuk pek nang kapau ko cingni nokan ta ke mena cengan neke mena sa tau in sa kan atang ero
nibo ya chengsong garojanonga ya nona baip si baip paraba ka baip ko ba festival salni gisepomo festival beta ta ke kamusum khogorche dariko ya baip ko ya raba ko chengko mai ta ke khes kalaha ya aloko dong barang maina chenga baip ko rabanon jaha rabanon jani ke sepon jol khai rabaon chenga benga ha no polis lang re bemeng chengbak sa tida ko nolongang ha oning ko jamanora chengko ya baip ko stong thonge gangburani jikaba galahanya kana ha tao de ya baip ko phlakan iso tok pabo maina khasa phai video ata tinga maina chengko garojana songko viral kha tinga oni men chenga viral kha nanga kakaha maina ya baip ko darang saksa mande ba ya no baik ko ten tika ba dongja tokpata ba dongja supata ba dongja oni ki sepon ya alok dongga ba dolrang nokchi bunga genangchem nokchi bunga genang barang arong ha gemekan songni beruti khae gepenjar baksa chape antang chis kha judge kha ko jelo dongna maksonge ngachem maksongani ki sepon bisong police na report khao ya baik ko report kha tani ke man bisong baik thonga hana ti man reba ha reba ni ki sepo tao de police ranga baik rang ko ni ha baik rang ko ni orang baik rang mamang ya ci baik para laban yung den nabam jar akka ndak ba den naman jaha den ba denja dang ba dang 득자 생리만 대랑 마문 설바 당 득자 ono police rang kamak toka nekani ki sepon police rang ang baksa aditan jeger kangaha jeger kangani ki sepon bisong ba tholani manyang ha tholani mandong angen uam ang saksa ko ba golde ke sachiba darang ko ba sudek ja darang ko dok 득자 aro darang ko ba taktang 득자 andageri ang ha iyani ki sepon andake chungni garojan songkho